food truck week consists of 6 teams, all with 3 different departments working together.
Last year it was the senior marketing students in collaboration with the culinary and hotel restaurant management students. This year brings a fantastic third part of it with the graphic and communication design students.
It was an amazing experience, really. Teamwork is a big part of what we do. If I'm going to venture out into the world of hospitality, teamwork is extremely important to how we operate. So getting the marketing and the graphics team and the kitchen guys, everybody has a different part to play. So to get everybody to come together and make this whole thing happen was really an amazing experience.
The designing, I guess, is obviously going to be our favorite part because I can't cook at all, like not even close. So trying the product is very good as well.
Well, we are in charge of quesadillas. So this is something Mexican-American style. First thing that we were given is that our marketing and culinary guys, they wanted to have something like a candy skull, so it's like a Mexican-American stuff.
This is our first food truck ever. I never done it before. And my team is Try and Go. It's a symbol of a team, a try and go. So we just try to make a similar name to that. And on our menu, we have meatball soup. We have 3 kinds of different sauce, so people can change every day and they will come back. And we also have a side dish is a deep fried pickles and a cheesy fries, but people really love the deep fried pickles.
So the theme for our group is crepes. So it's called The Great Escape. It's a tropical theme, so it's the hashtag that we have for our project is How Will You Escape? Mostly just because that was coming up to March break and a few other things like that, and tropical is very appealing as well.
Yeah, it was strictly burgers, Burgernators. We had 4 different types of burgers. So again, we just wanted to do something with a twist, not the regular cheeseburgers. We do mainly gourmet burgers. So we had our signature burger was the Burgernator. Comes with a double patty. We also have the regular toppings like tomatoes, lettuce, onions, and so on. But the sauce was what made the difference. We also had the Tex-Mex, avocado topping, salsa, red peppers and yellow peppers. Sprucing it up. It makes it look inviting. It looks good, and people want to try it.
All the preparation was kind of stressful, but actually getting there and getting in the room and serving people and seeing everyone smile and everyone work together, it's just great.
As an instructor, to do something like this, it really brings real world to the classroom. They're working on deadlines, they're working on the requirements of, and in this case it's an event that has a specific time to it. It can't wait, it can't be done 2 weeks from now. So the calendar that they got is something that would mirror the deadlines of the calendar in a corporate setting. It's been really cool.
Working with other classes is like a really amazing opportunity for us to meet and understand about each other majors.
So going all out and making this happen, this is the biggest part of it for me. I really enjoyed it. It's fun, and I'm a people person. So getting out there, trying to woo the customers and getting them in, having somebody say to me, for example, oh, you should be a car salesman, because I did not come inside here to buy a burger, but after you started to talk, I'm like, oh, let me get a burger.